Hey, what's going on again, folks? I got an eBay unboxing today, and I just got it in just now. And today's a different unboxing review. So I got an NP60 battery, so I just got this for my digital camera, and just got it in just now. Also, my first purchase of 2022. There you go. So not much, something different today. So here's the package. So I just got it in just now, and got something new on eBay, very cheap, for less than $20. So this is an NP60 battery. Well, let's just open it up, and not much. And today's review is not the usual, something different today. So let's just open this up and see what we have. Alright, let's make sure everything's right. And it arrived just now. Alright, turn it around. And there we go. Not much, just your usual battery. So I just got this for my old digital camera. So this is an NP60 battery that I got it on eBay. Good price, less than 20. Yeah, not much, just I just got this for my digital camera. Well, just to open it up like that. Okay, so there you go. That's what I got today on eBay. And your usual your battery for your digital camera. And I also got a free headset. And I hope these will work. It's brand new. So yes, I got this for my camera. So this is an NP60 battery. Yeah, good price, no problem. Good deal on this. And there you go. Just new batteries for my camera. Nothing else. Different different subject today. And I got a free headset right here. Okay, so not much. Today's review is not much, not exciting today. Just a battery right there. NP60 battery for my camera. I still use my own digital camera. Okay, so not much today. Today's just a battery that I eBay unboxing that I got from on eBay. That's where I got it. I got it on eBay for less than 20. Just your usual battery for your camera. That's what I got it for. And today's something different. Also my first purchase of 2022. Okay, so not much. So if you come across this, the usual, comment, like, subscribe, and see my channel for my other reviews. And thank you for watching.